Hi, this is Maniandan from VINSINFO. I am heading business development here. We are an IT service and solution providing company based out of Chennai, and we are 230 members in total. I am glad that we completed our Silver Jubilee recently, and we are into the 27th year. Related to e-commerce, we are in this space for almost 20 years now, and I still remember those days where we have written our own scripts using PHP, Java, and backend servers with high scalability, security, and other things which we did on our own. And slowly we moved towards the Microsoft Commerce way back in 2000s, and we worked with multiple platforms like be it Joomla, Xcart, and Drupal. And we started working with the SaaS platform, be it Adobe Commerce, BigCommerce, Shopify, and Zoho Commerce now. And with specific to e-commerce experience, we have worked with almost all industries over these 20 years, be it B2B, B2C, or D2C, even dropshipping concepts, and creating own marketplace for the customers.
Our recommendation for Zoho Commerce comes from real experience and not just preference. So yeah, we have worked with multiple SaaS platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. So where Zoho Commerce stands out is they have covered everything under one ecosystem like store, CRM, inventory, finance, and so on. Most importantly, we have a strong partnership support from Zoho, which is a key factor for us. So they are very accessible, collaborative, and they are very friendly too.
Zoho Commerce stands out really well because it's built for entire business operations, not just customer-facing storefronts. And we had a client who came to us with different platforms in their mind. But once their needs are mapped out, Zoho Commerce turned out to be their first and most significant choice. Because their custom workflows or how their inventory need to be organized and mapped, Zoho Commerce has the options to rectify all of their needs. We have built an e-commerce solution across industries like fashion, jewelry, sports, and B2C, covering different business models including D2C and marketplace setups. A good example on the B2B side would be where we redesigned the entire buying experience for customers by enabling bulk order purchasing, custom workflows or code handling. And we have been able to solve every one of them through Zoho Commerce. For the brand B2B, we have done login based layout changing where the guest user can see the different layouts and the logged in user based on their type, they can view and explore the different layouts. And we have also done bulk ordering and dealer-based login prices and product visibilities and statement history pages where we have displayed the number of orders they have done and they can make a quick order there also. Small industries like Manisha Bridal Jewelry, we have done add-on products and embedded video display in their product pages. We redesigned the entire product listing pages where the products are listed in the table view column, and we also added export product catalog feature where the customers can download their product features and explore their prices and product details there. There are two types of templates in Zoho Commerce. One of them is private and another one is public template. And we created a different private template based on each types of businesses we had. One of the biggest advantages of using private template is we have a lot more control over the customizations, and we can also use APIs to customize their needs, and it also enhance the page speed and overall performance of the site. So the use cases may vary, but our intent is always the same: to build systems that are scalable, manageable, and how their business actually works. We recommend Zoho Commerce to many customers because it's the right fit. In general, we had customers who have queries based on whether Zoho Commerce scales well or not. From what we have seen, it scales really well. We handle businesses using Zoho Commerce that went from 50 of product to 100K of product, multiple VAR locations and high transactional values, and it all managed under Zoho Commerce. One of the game changers for us is the API's flexibility in the platform that help us to build businesses that scales really well.
Our journey with Zoho Commerce, it was a sweet one actually, where we started as an entry-level partner with them, and we started learning the platform, which was very easier when comparative to the other platforms as well, and the support which we got from the Zoho team, that is tremendous. Now we are a Zoho One partner as well. So whoever is in e-commerce space or any of the products which Zoho supports, I would strongly recommend that you sign in as a partner.
If I have to describe Zoho Commerce in one word, powerhouse.
Scalable.
Unified.
Connected.
Seamless.
Synergy.